Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Ollie here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Now, for those of you that have just joined my channel for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. And for those of you already following me and have already subscribed, I want to say thank you so much and welcome back. So we are now into day 10 of my 3K in 31 day challenge, and I wanted to shoot this quick video just to bring you up to speed of exactly where I am. So if you had seen my last video, you will see that the last method that I have started to use to help me generate 3K in 31 days was the way of affiliate marketing. Now, as I said before, the great thing about affiliate marketing is that it helps generate passive income, and that's basically you put the work forward and then you leave it to do its business, and then you will basically be generating income whilst you sleep. That's what I mean by passive income. What I also said in that video was that I was looking into another potential method of earning passive income online, and that is the way of putting together a Shopify store. Now, after doing my research and really looking into it and seeing if it was viable, I have decided that it is worth a shot. Now, I also mentioned that I want to try and spend as little as money as possible, because obviously my whole aim is to make as much money as I can without having to spend too much money in the process. So I've decided to take on the 30-day trial. So Shopify at the moment is running a 30-day trial, and I thought, let me try my luck and see just exactly how far I could get with basically putting together a store, and and just see what happens. Now, the thing that I'm going to do with my Shopify store is that I'm not going to actually sell any goods. What I'm actually going to do is that I'm going to use the same method of drop shipping. And again, for those of you that don't know what drop shipping is, make sure you check out my video. I go into a little bit of detail in terms of what drop shipping is, how you get started, and I'll put the link down in the description below. But that's what I'm basically going to do. I'm going to use the same model of drop shipping, but I'm going to use a Shopify store. Yep, I thought I would just use this opportunity to let you know that I have decided to go on and create a Shopify store. So fingers crossed, let's see what happens. Like I said, it is a great way of generating passive income. Really excited. My challenge is 31 days, right? I've got a 30-day trial on this, so I'm gonna hopefully make some money. So if you did like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and also make sure you subscribe. And as always, if you want to keep up to date with my journey and my 3K in 31 days challenge, make sure you also hit that bell icon, that little notifications button, so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified as and when that happens. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave there. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I look forward to speaking to you on my next video. Take care.